With the 5100, relief grinding is done manually or automatically. Let's look at manually first. Step 1. You must disconnect the spin motor. Next, be sure that the reel spins easily. Now we will install the finger guide plates. You must first determine if the reel being sharpened has the leading end of the blade on the left or on the right end of the reel. The appropriate finger guide plate is then installed on your unit. A quick way to determine the correct finger guide plate is that the longest slope on this guide plate should match the slope on the reel blade itself. These must be lined up correctly. For additional information on this procedure, refer back to the operator's manual, where it is explained in more detail. This guide can be adjusted one of three ways. The most common is to use the thumb screw on the side of the guard. Another way is to adjust the grinding head up or down. And lastly, you can rotate the stone guard on the unit. The goal of this adjustment, however, is to set the proper relief angle. Set the guide as close as possible without touching the stone. This is where the blade will reset while being sharpened. Now place the blade to rest on the finger guide. The purpose of this sharpening angle is to create an edge or land where only a small area of blade is touching the bed knife. This will keep the blade sharper longer, and it will require less maintenance. Check this angle visually before starting the unit. Next, turn on the wheel head and the cooling. Here you should adjust the cooling for a small blast of liquid. Place the blade on the finger guide and make sure the other blades do not hit the stone. Now run the blade through the grinder stone and back again. Do this for each blade until you have all the blades sharpened. Now let's look at how you can do this automatically. Remember, this unit gives you both options. We will control the automatic relief grinding with three settings. 1. The speed of the reel rotation. 2. The speed of travel. And 3. The distance of travel. To begin with, the spin motor has a slip clutch on it that works at very slow speeds. We will hook this back up and reverse its motion using this side switch. Next, we will set up the grinding head by hand without the head spinning. We will set the left stop so the head does not come off the reel, and the right edge so the head just comes off the reel. Now we will start the spin motor at the slowest speed and adjust the traverse speed so the unit rotates just one blade as it comes off the finger guide and then returns. Once this is set up, we will start our wheel head and infeed the stone until it starts grinding. Now the 5100 will relief grind all the blades automatically. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes to set up this whole operation.